Here's a comprehensive and in-depth tutorial on Google Tag Manager. Introduction. Mastering Google Tag Manager for effective website tracking and management. Google Tag Manager, GTM, is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of adding and managing tracking codes, or tags, on your website. It streamlines the tracking of user interactions, events, conversions, and more without the need for manual coding. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through understanding and utilizing Google Tag Manager effectively. Chapter 1. Getting started with Google Tag Manager. 1. What is Google Tag Manager? 1. Google Tag Manager is a tag management system that allows you to add, update, and manage various tags on your website without altering the website's code directly. 2. Tags can include analytics codes, conversion tracking, pixels, and more. 2. Benefits of using GTM. 1. Simplified implementation. GTM reduces the need for manual coding, making tag management more efficient. 2. Version control. Changes can be made within GTM without affecting the website's code directly. 3. Enhanced collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same GTM account. Chapter 2. Setting up Google Tag Manager. 1. Creating a GTM account. 1. Sign in to your Google account and navigate to Google Tag Manager to create a new account. 2. Set up a container for each website you want to manage. 2. Installing the GTM container. 1. Once your container is created, you'll receive a container code snippet. 2. Paste this snippet into your website's HTML code, just after the opening tag. Chapter 3. Adding tags to your website. 1. Adding a Google Analytics tag. 1. Create a new tag, select the Google Analytics tag type, and enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. 2. Define triggers for when you want the tag to fire, such as page views or specific events. 2. Adding other tags. 1. GTM supports various tags, including Facebook Pixel, AdWords conversion tracking, LinkedIn Insights, and more. 2. Each tag type has specific settings and triggers that you can configure. Chapter 4. Configuring triggers and variables. 1. Triggers. 1. Triggers determine when a specific tag should fire based on user interactions or events. 2. Common triggers include page views, clicks, form submissions, and scroll tracking. 2. Variables. 1. Variables capture data that can be used within your tags and triggers. 2. Predefined and custom variables allow you to collect information like URLs, click-ids, and more. Chapter 5. Testing and debugging. 1. Preview and debug mode. 1. GTM offers a preview mode, which allows you to test and debug your tags and triggers before publishing them. 2. It enables you to see which tags fire on specific pages and interactions. Chapter 6. Publishing changes. 1. Submitting changes. 1. After testing your changes in preview mode, you can submit them for publishing. 2. GTM will then deploy the updated container code to your live website. Chapter 7. Best practices and advanced features. 1. Folder structure. 1. Organize your tags, triggers, and variables into folders for better management, especially for complex websites. 2. Custom HTML and JavaScript tags. 1. For advanced tracking or specific requirements, you can create custom HTML or JavaScript tags. 3. Cross-domain tracking. 1. GTM allows you to set up cross-domain tracking for websites that span multiple domains. Conclusion. Mastering Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager empowers you to take control of your website's tracking and management, streamlining the process and reducing the reliance on manual coding. By following the steps in this tutorial, you'll be equipped to efficiently add and manage various tracking codes, ensuring accurate data collection and enhanced insights into user behavior. As you explore GTM's features and capabilities, you'll gain the ability to optimize your website's performance, conversions, and overall user experience.